Yo, welcome back. It's been a while. We had to put the CRX project on pause. I had a lot of other miscellaneous stuff to work on, but now that that's all off and squared off, it's time to get back on this. Body's all done since the last time we left off. It's just now we're not going to work on that. We got a bunch of other stuff to work on, like this ZC hood over here. Previous owner of this hood, I guess he might have put a hole in here because he had a high radiator and a turbo. I'm not getting paid to do all this, to cover it all up, but since I'm at it and I love doing metal fabrication work, I'm just gonna go and just make it look better. Not perfect, just make it look better. Got a piece of a template, piece of mild steel already got cut off. Got the curvature in there. Probably gonna have to use the dolly and hammer a little bit more, and maybe to shrink it a little bit just to get a different curve. But I will not be explaining too much after this because I don't really have the time for it. So let's get at that time lapse right now. Well, looks like I got no choice but just to end the day. Family's gonna be here soon. I ran out of CO2 and argon for the MIG welder, so I had to go in and tack it with the TIG welder, which is really tough with the sheet metal. But I got it in place. Doesn't look too pretty, but after it's all said and done, it's gonna look a lot better than what it was. So I'm gonna put it into it, and I'm gonna just get some gas tomorrow and then start from there. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.